Hello, good morning. How are you, everyone? I hope you're doing well. This is another wonderful day to learn or to study English. And I hope you are ready for our language. Let's go. Let's have first our vocabulary words. Number 1, Mr. Again, Mr. Let's spell Mr. M-I-S-T-E-R, Mr. The short way to write Mr. is M-R period Mr. Next, Miss. Again, Miss. Let's spell Miss. M-I-S-S, Miss. The short way to write Miss is M-S period Miss. The last word is goodbye. Again, goodbye. Let's spell goodbye. G-O-O-D-B-Y-E, goodbye. Okay, now let's go to our topic. We have here Mr. Okay, now Mr. is used for a person that is a boy. Before we say their name, if they are boy, man, let's first say Mr. and then their name. Example, Mr. J, Mr. John, Mr. Tom. Okay, for boys. Now, if girls or woman, lady, we use Miss. Again, Miss. Before we say their name, let's say first Miss. Example, Miss Katie, Miss Jane, like that. Next word here is goodbye. When do we say goodbye? Example is when you are at school and then it's time to go home. You can say, or you can use goodbye to your friends, to your teacher, or to your classmate, like saying goodbye Mr. Jake, like that. Goodbye teacher, goodbye my friend, like that. Another example, let's say when you are about to go home, you can say to your friend, goodbye Tom, and then your friend will answer, goodbye Jane, just like that. Next one, let's study saying hello, what's your name? Again, hello, what's your name? Example, when you are in school and then you meet your teacher and then she says, hello, what's your name? And then you will answer, my name's Tim, just like that. Another example, let's say you don't know the name of your teacher, then you just ask or say, hello, what's your name? And then he probably will answer, hello, my name's Mr. J. Mr. because he is a boy. But if he is a girl, you say, hello, what's your name? Maybe she will answer, hello, my name's Miss Katie, like that. Okay, next. Oh, if you find a newly found friend, if you have, then you want to know their name or his name, you can say, "What's your name?" Then he will answer, "My name's John." Then you say, "What's your name?" Then he will answer, "My name's John." And then maybe he will ask you the same question. And he will say, "What's your name?" And then you will answer, "My name's Bill." Just like that. Okay. Now, let's have an activity. Let's see if you understand. But before that, get ready your pencil, eraser, ruler, and your paper. And on your paper, you write your name, the date, and the subject, language. Okay, and then write test letter A, number 1, 2, and 3. And on the other side, write letter B, number 1, 2, and 3. And then also, you need to write this one. Number 1, Mr. Miss. Number 2, Mr. Miss. Number 3, Mr. Miss. Now, if you have still space below letter A and letter B, write letter C. But if you don't have, you can go to other page and write letter C. Number also 1, 2, 3. And we're good to go. We're ready for our test. Okay, now let's go to our first activity, letter A. Choose the correct answer in the box. Write your answer on your paper. Okay, so you will write Mr., Miss, or goodbye. Example, this picture is what? Mr., Miss, or goodbye? Yes, Mr. So you will write Mr. on your number, on your paper. Let's go. Number 1. Number 1, this picture is what? Is it Mr., Miss, or goodbye? Write your answer. Number 2. This picture, when you are about to go home, what will you say to your teacher? Mr., Miss, or goodbye? Number 3. This picture is what? Mr., Miss, or goodbye? Now, when you are finished, then let's go to letter B. Activity letter B, make an oval for the correct word. Example, this picture is Mr. So we make an oval for Mr. On your paper, we write Mr. and Miss, right? So let's just make an oval for the correct answer. Number 1, this picture is what? Mr. or Miss? Mr. or Miss? Number 2, this picture is what? Mr. or Miss? Mr. or Miss? Number 3, this picture is what? Mr. or Miss? Mr. or Miss? Okay, when you are finished, then for letter C, and it is the last one, write the missing word. Okay, just write your answer on your paper. Okay, for number 1, what's your blank? and then the answer is my name's John. So what's the answer here? Okay, for number 1, it's a bonus. The answer here is, yes, name. So on your paper you write name. What's your name? Okay, this is bonus for number 1. Now in number 2, it's your time to answer. What's your name? Okay, again, what's your name? The answer is my name's blank Katie. My name's blank Katie. So what is this? Is it Mr. or Miss? Write your answer on your paper. And the last one, goodbye, Mr. Jake. Or if you say goodbye, Mr. Jake, what will Mr. Jake say? Okay, you will answer blank bill. Oh, what is this word? Blank bill. Okay, so write your answer on your paper. Okay, now that's it for today. But before we go home, or before we end, again, let's have a quick review. If you are talking to a woman or a girl, before we say their name, what are we going to use? Is it Mr. or Miss? The answer is yes, Miss. Now, how about if we are talking to a man or a boy? What are we going to say before their name? Is it Mr. or Miss? Yes, Mr. How about when it's about to go home? What are we going to say to our teacher or to our friends? Okay, just like this example, we say goodbye, Mr. Jake, and then what will Mr. Jake say? Okay, goodbye, and then maybe he will say your name. Okay, now reminders again, everyone, to always safe. Remember to wear a mask before or when you go out. Safety first. Use your hand sanitizer, especially when you touch things. Wash your hands. Keep social distancing. Exercise regularly. Eat healthy foods. Okay? So that's it for today. Thank you everyone for listening. See you next time. Bye bye.